Hey, what's up guys, I am back here with another new video, and the STC 2018 has been just finished up and some new things came up, and today in this video I will be talking about on them, and I will be showing you some highlights of the STC 2018. So the first one is that the Samsung's voice assistant Bixby has been upgraded to 4 new languages, and now it will support 5 languages. The one will be the previous and the 4 new included. And the Samsung also introduced its new user interface based on the Android 9.0 Pie, and it's called the One UI. And this user interface is designed in collaboration with Google to provide a smooth and buttery experience, and according to Samsung, this makes the experience more simple and natural. And we have a brand new lock screen user interface, some new font styles, and also new navigation buttons at the bottom that looks beautiful. And this time there is pre-installed dark mode, and the new One UI is compatible with Samsung's foldable phone having Infinity Flex display. And the new UI will support the multitasking with up to 3 applications active live at a time. It means you can run 3 applications live at the same time and no effect will be occur. And they showed up the color of UI matching with smartphones, and here you can see we also have the emerald green color and the others white, blue and black as well. And finally, Android now officially supports the foldable display with the new Android Pie beta program will be officially in use in January of 2019. And now let's talk about the foldable phone, the Samsung new Infinity Flex display phone. They didn't talk about the phone itself, and even not about the specs, the name and anything about the phone. And this guy is holding the phone in a case that is covering the phone all around, and they did not show off the phone, and it was not clearly seen because of dim light. And this phone has 6.4 inches of display in folded state, and it will have a resolution of 840 by 1960 pixels with 420 pixels per inches. And when this phone is unfolded, it becomes 7.3 inches and has the maximum resolution of 1536 by 2152 pixels with 420 pixels. And this looks like a tablet, and we can't see anything more. The phone was hidden, we were not able to see that how thick or thin it was, but honestly it looks pretty much good and nice. Samsung will be revealing it in January of 2019 at CES. And now along with the foldable display, Samsung also showed up the 4 new displays: the Infinity O display, the Infinity V display, Infinity U display, and the last one, new Infinity display. And these all displays, instead of new Infinity display, have a notch of different kinds. The Infinity V display has a notch of V shape, Infinity O has a notch of O shape, and the Infinity U has a notch of U shape. And the new Infinity display seems to be installed on the Samsung Galaxy S10 that is coming soon in 2019, or maybe in the last month of 2018. And that was what happened at the STC 2018. Stay tuned with me because I will be making a video of second STC conference of 2018, and I will see you guys in the next one.